Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Stuti Habib from Chemistry Education Class B. Here I will explain about synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. Title: Synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. Objective: synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide crystal and qualitative. Literature review. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used chemical compound with the formula in pure liquid form. It has a distinctive pale blue color, however, in a mixture with slight sharp odor. Material and tools. Beaker glass, Erlenmeyer oven, measuring cup, spatula, thermometer, watch glass, filter panel, and urea hydrogen peroxide, aqueous manganese oxide. Experimental work scheme. First, synthesis hydrogen peroxide. Start measuring 30% H2O2 solution by 3.4 ml and insert into Erlenmeyer 10 ml. Weighing urea solids as much 1.2 grams and applying into Erlenmeyer containing a solution of H2O2. Later stir until the urea solids fill a 2005 ml chemical glass with 1005 ml of tap water and heat to 60 derajat Celsius using anhydrous water. Dipping Erlenmeyer containing 30% H2O2 solution urea solid into a chemical glass, heated about water, heat until the solution becomes clear. Move the solution on the wet glass so that the solvent can beat compound slowly until there is a crystal needed shape. Synthesis urea crystal. Qualitative analysis. UHP crystal synthesis. Weighing synthesis crystal yield of 0.1 grams and insert it into the test tube. Dissolve synthetic crystal with 2 ml aqueous. Add a little MnO2 solid to the test tube. Observing two gas bubbles forming. 0.2 gas bubbles are formed. Finish. Result and discussion. First, treatment. 1 method. Synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. Weighing the solids urea and put in a Petri measure 7.5 of the H2O2 solution and bath. Beaker filled with 1000 ml of tap water. A Petri dish containing a mixture of urea H2O2 is placed on a beaker filled with water. Result: urea weighing 0.8 grams shaped with crystalline solid. Boiling water, needle shaped crystal. Treatment. 2 method. Qualitative analysis. Weighing 0.1 grams of synthesis 2005 crystal. Put it in a test tube. Add 3 ml of water to the test tube. Add half a spatula of MnO2 into the tube. Result: as much as 0.1 grams product bubble solution is gray. There is a black precipitate. Discussion. Urea is a single organic compound composite to the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. In this practicum synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide, the analysis OHP crystal format qualitative the first step to weigh to 0.8 grams urea and put it in a petri dish, then take 7.5 ml of 3% H2O2 solution. First step is to heat 1000 ml of aqua dash in glass beaker to a temperature of 60 derajat. After the aqua dash boils 5 ml of 3% H2O2 is heated by placing it a heater so that the solution evaporates and can form crystal. UHP crystal has advantage over H2O in the synthesis of UHP crystal. The mass of UHP crystal is of 0.64 grams. The crystal obtained are clear in the form of threads. The qualitative test. In the qualitative test, the synthesis crystal obtained was massed and then weighed 0. grams. Put into the test tube, they add 2 ml of distilled water until dissolved and clear so as produce a few bubbles. Vertamorph solids MnO2 black wasted in the presence of glass bubbles. The decomposition of H2O2. The solution in the test tube is gray in color, and there are bubbles of 0.2 gas. Conclusion. Experiments have been carried out on the synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide and qualitative analysis of the result in the synthesis. In the synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide, it produced product with thread like are needle-shaped crystal and a crystal mass of 0.64 grams. The qualitative analysis of the result of the UHP synthesis result in grayish-black solution. There were bubbles and there was a black precipitate. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.